Wait in the car. I'll go for temple. After you finish your college, just wait here. I'll come and pick up you. Driver?
Okay students, now we will see about 5S concepts. 5S is the name of workplace organization that gives the list of 5 Japanese words: Sairi, Saiton, Saizo, Saikitsu and Suzuki, translated into S. Come inside. 5S is the lean manufacturing tool that improves workplace efficiency and eliminates waste. Managers and workers are seen as greater organization.
Oh my God, it is so
this
silent.
defines
Is it look like
5S
college?
concepts.
Hello.
Idiot, don't you have time sense?
What? Same pinch, same color shirt.
You do the same thing always. Go take your seat. Okay, listen.
Dudum.
Tudum. Hey, what's that sound? Stupids, listen to the class. Having a clean and organized warehouse, both run together.
Hey! Hey!
Huh?
What man? I've been seeing you've been laughing.
Nothing.
Eh? Okay, I'm going out of the class. You will come.
I will not come.
Why?
My mother will yell at me.
Huh? Mom will yell at you. What? Such a fool.
Hey, you fatso! What are you speaking?
No, nothing, ma'am.
Get out!
In this college, only this ma'am will understand me properly. When I saw her for the first time with the same shirt. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, listen. In simple terms, the 5 years methodology is placed in the work.
What, man? When I called, you did not come. How did you come out now?
No. Actually, my pen.
Pen. For this pen, you came so far? Take it. At least you study well.
Mom?
Where are you? How long should I wait here? Come to the main entrance. Where had you gone?
Bathroom. Actually,
Okay, get in.
one glimpse of a girl. Will it disturb it so much? Who is she? glasses are making me sleepless. Her eyes. I'm just waiting to see it again.
Why are you going so early?
No, actually, I have some assignment work, so
Okay, go carefully. Murga?
first time I'm lying to my mom just to see her.
A class is here. Where is this kid going? Bro,
Huh?
what are you doing?
Actually,
What is that?
that girl.
What? That girl?
Yeah. Yeah. I want to talk to her.
You want to talk?
Yeah.
You? How is this possible? Huh?
If you want this pen, you can keep it.
It's possible. We can talk. Tudum tudum. Let's go. Hey, whatever you think, it is not easy. For that, you have 3 conditions. You should follow me. First thing, wherever she goes, you should be there. Second thing, whenever you see her, you should laugh. Tudum tudum. Third thing, you should be strong, just like me. Did you get it? First, change your dressing sense. First thing, change your dressing sense. First thing, change your dressing sense. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? What is wrong with you, man? Good thing she did not look at you. Let's go. I asked him to change his dress, but he's looking like a crap. If I asked him to change the dress, I don't know what is wrong with him. Bro, 100% she'll not suit you at all. Tudum tudum.
Hey, bro, please, man. Past few days, I have forgot who am I. From the time I saw her. I'm not able to understand the happiness and also the feelings. she passes by and the way she stares at me. At least today I should talk to her. But I don't know. Her eyes. Boys can do whatever they want, but the girl you like a lot, you can't speak to her.
Hey, Principle of Management book.
Is it business law?
Not this book. Get that
Huh?
book. Hey, give me that.
Hmm.
Hey, not this book. Give that book. Keep this book there only.
Okay.
That book only. Give that book. Yeah, that one.
Hey, remove your hand, man. Just be
Is it okay?
casual, okay? I'll teach you what to do, okay?
Hey,
Just do
that
that.
Romeo and Fatso has come, see?
Bro.
Just shut up, yeah.
Why are you being so rigid? Go as a free man. Go, man. Don't get afraid. Go. Go, man. Don't get scared. Go, man. I'll be here only. Go. I'm here with you. Go with a free mind. Be relaxed. Go, man. Go. Don't come without talking. There's a right chance you have got. Go, man.
Hey, be quiet.
I'm getting scared, man.
Bro, I'm gonna kill you now. Just go, man. Go.
Keep this there only.
Go, man. Go speak to her. Go. Go, man.
This one?
Yes, this
Hello?
only.
Okay.
Come,
Hi.
let's go.
Let's
Hello.
go.
Hey, he's behind you. He's an entertainment for you, right?
Bro, what did you do, man? What did I say and what are you
Actually-
doing? You'll never change, man. You'll not suit also. Just leave me alone, man.
Bro, please don't go, man.
What's your name?
My name is Naveen.
Okay. Which department?
Mechanical.
Hmm.
Hey there.
What?
What's your name?
Kamala.
My life has been totally changed from that moment.